Okie dokie. Before I go into detail about what this assignment looks like, I want to remind you what our question is that we're thinking about this unit. How do living things help one another survive? Because this is going to tie very directly into that question, because we are going to see some pairs of animals that help each other survive. There's a second video for you to watch once you're done with this one, talking about some more animal pairs, because this text is talking about one such pair. It's called an unlikely pair. Remember, unlikely, un means not, so not likely. So there's a pair that you wouldn't expect to find. It's about a shark and a smaller fish called a remora, and how they can work together to help each other out. So, question 1, just what is a remora? Go read the story. Remember, reread. So start by reading it once, then go back and look for your answers. Even if you're pretty sure you remember, go back and look. It doesn't hurt to go back and look. And really tell me detail. Don't just say like a fish. Okay? Go back and tell me whatever details you can. How do the remora and the shark benefit each other? So the remora helps the shark do this. The shark helps the remora do this. So how do they each help the other one? Notice it does ask you to go back and underline or circle sentences that support your answer, that it's like your evidence, your text evidence to show this is how I know that that's the right answer. And then what other animal pairs have you read or learned about? How do they help each other? So pick one from that other video to talk about. Pick one that you've heard of elsewhere. Pick more than one, but do tell me about at least one other pair, and then explain how they help each other. Doesn't have to be in detail, but do tell me about another pair. And again, that's why we included this second video, so take a look. It's really quite fascinating how these different animals that you might not expect to work together, how they can work together and help each other. So have fun learning about that. Like I said, the main thing with this is just to go back and reread. Make sure you are getting those details, looking back for them, not rushing through it, taking your time, and you'll be great. Good luck.